Hi guys, welcome back to Mels Kitchen. In today's video I am going to be showing you how to make steam cabbage and saltfish, the two main ingredients, cabbage and saltfish. I'm just going to go ahead and show you real quick all the things that I'm going to use to create this dish, which you can find down below in the description box, so don't worry about all the things that I have here. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you real quick. This is cabbage that I already went ahead wash and cut, and I also have thyme in here, and this right here is a little bit of butter. In here I have onions. Y'all should know what this is if you're a Caribbean. You know that is hot pepper, and then that's garlic. In here I have assorted sweet peppers. Here I have diced tomatoes. Here I have carrot, and the reason why I'm using some carrot is because I don't like to just look at my cabbage all bland like this. I'm using the carrot to give it a little color. And there I already have my saltfish, which I went ahead and wash, debone, and mince. And then I'm going to use a little bit of oil with some salt. So here I have my pot already preheated, so I'm going to go ahead and throw some oil in here real quick. And the oil that I'm using is just a little bit to saute all these seasonings I'm going to throw out in here. And I'm just going to throw in all my seasoning right now. Go ahead and saute. And at this point I'm going to add a little salt. I'm just going to let this saute a little bit to bring out all the flavor from it. Now that is looking and smelling really good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my cabbage. And my carrots also. I'm going to go ahead and cover this, and you want this to steam on low heat. So you need to turn down your stove to the lowest, and this is the last thing you're going to add just as your vegetable almost finished steaming. You're going to let this steam for about 15 minutes and then add our saltfish. I also forget to show you guys the black pepper, which I'm going to add in it right now, just a pinch. Okay guys, now I'm going to go ahead and add my saltfish because my veggie is almost finished steaming. So I'm just going to pour that all over there and mix it up real quick. And there you go guys, cabbage and saltfish is ready to serve with whatever you feel to eat it with. And there you have it guys, my delicious cabbage, steamed cabbage and saltfish. Hopefully you guys really enjoy this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and try it and tell me down below how it went for you. comment down below, let me know what you think. Subscribe if it's your first time to Mels Kitchen. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.